This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासरः अथवा भृगुवासरः भाद्रपद कृष्ण नवमी दिनांक 11 सप्टेंबर 2020 सहस्रयोगम कुमारी आसवम् शंखं चक्रं यलौकान् दलतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यांशुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेतरं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्नीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टा ज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यः कार्यं तदनोद्यसः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षं वीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत्मि सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। कुमार्यासव कन्नारसं तुलार्धं वै गुडमिश्रितं चातुर्जातलवङ्गानां सैन्धवस्य निशाद्वयात् उष्णोष्णकुबेराणां धातकीनां फलं फलं तथ्याचूर्णं फलद्वन्द्वं फलं चामलकस्य तु उग्रगन्धाविडङ्गानां जातिपत्र्यः फलं फलम् एकीकृत्य शुचौ भाण्डे पक्षमेकं विधापयेत् फलर्धं भक्षे नित्यं विकलार्धम् उन्मोदावर्तनाशनम् आत्मानं पार्श्वशूलं च जठरार्थिं कफं हरेत् मन्दाग्निं शमयेत् श्वासं कासं हिक्तां क्षयं तथा लिहानं विकृतं शोकं नाशयत् देशसेवितः। तर्हि अयं पाठः महान् वर्तते एवञ्च फलश्रुतिरपि विस्तृता विद्यते। So let us see Kanyarasa 50 phala and Guda 25 phala. चतुर्जात लवंग सैंधव निषाद्वय कृष्णा उषण मरीच कुबेराक्ष धातकी आमलकी उग्रगंधा विडंग is Vacha विडंग जाति पत्र वन तोला each वन पल each पथ्या हरितकी चूर्ण 2 पल put all about drugs etc 15 days. So here only it has been said for 15 days paksha, otherwise it is generally mass. गुल्म उदावर्त आत्मान पार्श्वशूल उदर कफ मंदाग्नि श्वास कास हिक्का क्षय प्लीहा यकृत विकार and श्रोत. So Falashruti is quite wide. There is one Kumari also number 1 which is containing Tamra Vasya and Kumari also number 3 is just Kumari. So we have to see which Kumari Asav is available, which part is available in the market. In the tradition of Nanal sir, Kumari Asav alone with Kumari, is in use for practically all patients. So after each food, they prescribe Kumari Asav particularly and dispense it rather. Instead of prescribing it, they dispense it. So we may have to think about this particular thing. And Kumari is Rasayana. One of the important aspects over here is Kumari is Rasayana. And there are many other Rasayana Dravyas as well. So Pathya, Vidanga, Amalaki, these are all Rasayana. Krishna also, typically. And Chaturjata, Lavanga, Sandhav, these are again Sugandhi Dravyas in this part. And I said this is Anulomana as well because there is Pathya in more quantity. Kumari itself is also Saragunatmaka. And though this is Asavarishta Kalpana, that is why it may not be used after chemo radiation. But Kumari alone is very good after chemo and radiation. And I have one combination Kumari and Rajani, which is you give bhavana of Kumari Swarasa to Rajani, and that I use as Kumari Rajani, and that is good for many conditions. So particularly we may think of this using this Kumari Rajani and may put Gairik into it for Kamudugha kind of thing. Sarvesh sir is using Kamudugha, 2 tablets thrice a day. I also use it for all patients on chemotherapy. Instead, this might be a combination, Kumari and Rajani and maybe Gairik, or we may have something like Chandana, which is Shitavirya and Vishagana. We need to do something like this. And Kumari Swarasa Bhavana should be fine. So, it would be a better combination for particularly chemotherapy patients on chemotherapy. And anyway, I can start using Kumari Rajani. We may also add Yashti Madhu. That is also possible to add into this. And as Vishagana, we may think of Shirisha instead of this Chandana, which is not available easily. So we may think of Shirisha as such, and that should be fine. So Plihamaya people, that is Agasana. So for Yakruta and Plihavika, this is helpful. Then Adavarta, Admana, Mandagni, these are also Kasa, Hika, and Shwasa. These are also taken care. Now when the rainy season ceases, we may go for this combination to be used after particularly chemotherapy. Kumari Rajani I use in scanty menses, that is one thing, and in Pandutva and in Kurmi as well. So Pandu, Kurmi, and Alparagaska, but we may use it even in PCOD as such. But in general, this is a good combination. I don't know from where I took it, but Brungaraga. भृंगराज रसद्रोणम दृष्टविकलां तथा प्रस्तार्धं तु हरितत्यास्ते निधापरे पक्षादूर्ध्वं पिबेदेनं मात्रया च यथाबलं जाते यस्मिन् पुनर्दत्त्वा पल्याश्च फलस्ते जातिफलं लवङ्गानि त्वगेलापत्रकेसरी धातुक्षयं जयेत् पीतं कासं पञ्चविधं तथा कृशानां च महापुष्टिं कुरुते च महाबलम्. So Brungaraga is also simple, not many dravyas. So Brungaraga Rasa, then Haritaki. And Bhrungaraja Rasa is available particularly in rainy season. So we may have to prepare it in this season only. Pakshadodum pibedana matraya shayathavalum. So as per matra and bala. Jate yasmin punar datta pippalyash paladve. So paladvaya pippali after formation. Jati phalam lavangani. Jati phala lavangat vagela patra kesara. So these are again Chaturjata as such. Dhatukshayam Jayat Pitam. Bhringaraju is also Rasayana and it conquers Dhatukshaya. Kasam Panchavidhan Tatha. And five types of Kasa. Krushanancha Mahapushtim Kurtecha Mahabala. So this is very good for Kushave. Mahapushta and Mahabala, both the things are possible. So I feel this we may try to introduce in patients. I already use it, particularly for Khaditya Paditya. I use Vrindaraja Sava. And when it is associated with the Agnimandya, then this is a better choice. And Karshya that we may have to think about. Vrindaraja Sava Bandrona Buddha Dolshipala Haritaki Artha Prastha Vipali Dopala. They are not adding it afterwards. Put all the above drugs in earthenware and seal well and bury it in the ground for 1 month. So as per Patha, these are to be added, Prakshapadravas to be added after formation of the Asavari. Dhatukshaya, Panchavidha Kasa and Pushtikaraka. It doesn't say about the Balavardhana as well. So some translation part is missing. कर्पूरासव तुलां प्रसन्नां परिगृह्य शुद्धां पलाष्टकं चोडुपते क्षिपेच्छ एलाच सूक्ष्मा घनशृङ्गवेर यवानिकं वेलजमत्र सर्वं फलप्रमाणं विहिते च भाण्डे नासं ददित्या कशकत्रयत्ना विशूचिकायाः परमौषधं तत् निहन्ति चान्यान् विविधान् विकारान्. So prasanna one tula and karpura 8 tula, 8 pala. So prasanna is the liquid part of the madhya. कुमारी मध्ये लवकर फर्मेंटेशन होते का म्हणून फक्त 15 दिवस सांगितले. Might be. But if we keep it for 1 month, that is also good. If the fermentation is not complete, then it may give trouble. And of course, if we keep it underground, then it gets proper heat and then it works better. Or the season should not, at least not be cold season. Then this fermentation is good. एलाघन मुस्ता शृंगवेर एलाघन मुस्ता शृंगवेर यवानिका वेल्ल विडंग वनपल each. So the Falashruti is Vishuchikaya, Paramaushadanta. Now there are very few cases of Vishuchika seen as such. And there is a strange story about Jayanta Jagirdar. So there is Vaidyaki in his ancestors. So he was the third or fourth or something like that. And when he started practice, it was not a boost at all, and very few patients were coming. It so happened that there was one Mandal Karyalaya near his house, and some food poisoning occurred. And then first patient came, second patient came, and patients kept on coming throughout the night. And he treated them well. And from next day onwards, his clinic flourished like anything. And now he is a very well practitioner. So, of course, he has practiced from ancestors. That is one important aspect over there. But Vishuchika, I remember this from Vishuchika. People tried to use Sanjeevani. He used Sanjeevani and Suchakaras in Vishuchika kind of thing. And Ve Vishucham Pradapaye, that is been given. So one may use that particular combination. Now it is very difficult to correlate this with cholera as such. And now it is believed that cholera has been conquered by conventional medicine. But surprisingly, Dhananjay Kulkarni, while he was in Ahmedabad for some lecture, he suffered from cholera. He had to return and was admitted in Dana. And there is one floating test of the stools, on the basis of which the allopathic doctor R.B. Kulkarni diagnosed him as cholera, and then it came true. So, in conventional medicine, they give antiemetic and give saline and allow the loose motions to take care of that infection as such. And your body strength is maintained with saline and with anti-emesis emetic drugs. You don't have vomiting. So this is a way, mechanical way of treating Vishuchika as such. But I have not seen any case of Vishuchika. And I have heard Pansarkar using Sanjeevani Vati in this particular thing. This Karpuraso, I don't know whether it is available in the market, but Paramaushadha. So this is Paramaushadha for that. But then this gives a lesson that cholera has come back. So like that, many other diseases may come back. That is also possible. Of course, it is not so widespread like other diseases, measles and other things. But still, this is a matter of concern. How do we deal with this infectious diseases? Available है कर्परासव 7 कंपनी बनता है. Okay, so that is fine. अर्धाडकं शुचिरपरिषितस्य दध्नः खण्डस्य षोडशफलानि शशिप्रभस्य सर्पिष्फलं मधुफलं मरीक्षन् विकर्षन् शुण्ठ्याः फलार्धमविचार्धफलं चतुर्णां शुक्लो फले ललनया मृदुपाणिगृष्टा कर्पूरचूर्णं सुरभीकृतभाण्डसंस्था एषा बुकोदरकृता सुरसा सरसाला चास्वादिता भगवती मधुसूदनेन. Don't give फलश्रुती of that. पेंचे सरांकडे थेंबांमध्ये मात्रा वापरली बघितली आहे. Okay. So if it is available and then if you can use it in drops, that should be fine. So ardhadakam shuchiram paryushitasya dadnaha. So it should be well formed. So paryushita dati amla rasatma. So don't, you have to keep it in freeze. Khandasya shodasha palani shashiprabhas. So like Chandrika, this is Khanda Sharkara. Shodasha palam. Sarpish palam madhupalam. So this we are not doing. So I took part from some something else in which there is no Ghruta or Madhu. Marichandvika, Maricha is there. Shunthyak Palardham Apicharda Palam Chaturna. So Chaturna might be this Chaturjat accept. Shuklo Pale Lalanaya Mrudupani Grushta. So Mrudupani, it is Grushta by Lalana. So सुकुमार स्त्री सुंदर स्त्री कर्पूर चूर्ण सुरभि कृत भांड संस्था and the कर्पूर चूर्ण सुरभि the other pot it has to stay into that esha vrukodar kruta surasa rasana so this is has been done by vrukodara bhim chaswadita bhagavati madhusudane and madhusudana krishna first tasted this so this is the same in bhavprakash as well दधी खंड शर्करा 16%. So actually we have to take out the watery part. That is one more important aspect. And that watery part itself is mastu. So what I am trying to do in now is we have to heat the milk and take out the cream side. And then curdle it and convert it into navneeta and gurkha. Now the remaining milk, if you do it 2-3 times, heating process 2-3 times, then you can remove the cream every time. The remaining milk we should convert into dahi and then keep this hanging in a cloth and whatever water we get is mastu. So we can add guda and Nahiki pushpa and maybe chaturjata or something like that to this. Yeah. And then prepare rasala from this dadi chakka and such. It's very good in taste. Maybe we try with honey and ghee as well. I have not put honey and ghee into that. Then maricha, shunthi, chaturjata. Paushtya. So action is Paushtya. There is no mention about that. But in Bhavprakash, I think there is Falashruti of this. And so there are many products. One is regularly navneet and ghee. So butter and ghee, these are available. Then from the ghee we get this rasala and from the mastu we get mastvasa. So everything is used and mastvasa or tadvan mastu saram srota shodhi vishtambadillag. So it is srota shodhi vishtambadillag. So this can be very well used in particularly IIT or any other case in which there is Rotorot. So we may try to use that. Corporasa uses useful in treating vomiting, diarrhea, gastroenteritis, cholera, and digestive diseases. This is 5 to 10 drops before or after food. Okay. So we may think about preserving. Corporasa wants to be brought and to be used for emergencies. So there is one medicine from Unani, Dinda Tilisman. And that is also in this condition, useful in this condition. And there is another one, I don't remember right now. But that is also containing Karpura. And this is also helpful in these conditions, particularly Vishnu Chika, Alasaka, etc. Javerian mixture. That is called as Javerian mixture. And I think it is available in the market. So it is also to be taken in 5-10 drops. मस्त्वासवचा पाठ कुठे मिळेल ही वृद्ध वैद्य परंपरा आहे. No, I am वृद्ध वैद्य about this. So I initiated this and we have successfully done this. So only the guda is required in much more quantity. For 1 liter of this, minimum 400 gram guda is to be added. It can be added even more if it is more sour in taste. And Dhataki Pushpa as per regular use. And then may put Chaturjata. I haven't put Chaturjata, but may put Chaturjata. We may use even bit of Sandha in this. And Ajamoda can also, Thikatu also can be added to this. So Maricha is Pramathi. Maricha is also useful. So we'll set the formula, try to set the formula. Now we have kept 15 liters of Mastvasa. October, 1st October that we have started. So after another 5-10 days, it might be ready. And this is Srotarodha Nashaka. So in any condition wherein you find Srotarodha, you can go for this, particularly IFB. So I am using it for Rudroga. तक्रारिष्ट सारखे प्रक्षेप टाकता येतील. That is possible. But Takrarishta has two pathas. One is Grahani and one is Arsha. In Grahani, there is lot of Lavana. In Arsha, there is not that much Lavana, but there is lot of Lavana in Grahani part. So we may try to use it. Visuchika tablets of Simco Pharma contain Bhang had best result in Visuchika. This is still available. So we may preserve it if it is available, because these products are not openly sold now. If they contain Bhanga, then that should be fine. And there is one case given by Bhagavadikar in his Maji Chikitsa book, that a patient of severe Atisara, he tried his level best, but it was not responding. So his mother said, "What medicines you are giving? It is not working." So Bhagavadikar was then a bit angry, and he decided, he went out and brought Bhanga. At that time it was easily available like this. And with one dose of Bhanga, the Atisara started getting reduced and the patient was saved. So if we have this kind of thing, then that might be useful. So may think of this kind of medicine handy in our clinic as such. Leya Prakarana. Leya is semi-solid preparation of drugs prepared with addition of jaggery, sugar or sugar candy and boiled with prescribed source and kashaya. You generally should have kashaya or swarasa, jaggery, sugar candy. Powders or paste kalka, ghee or oil and honey. Jaggery sugar and sugar candy is dissolved in the liquid and strained to remove the foreign particles. This solution is boiled over a moderate fire. When the pak is ready, not ready, 3D. So tar as what we call. When pressed between two fingers and when it sinks in without getting easily dissolved, it should be removed from the fire. Fine powders of drug then added in small quantities and stirred continuously and vigorously to form a homogeneous mixture. Ghee or oil, if mentioned, is added in the preparation when it is still hot and mixed well. Honey, if mentioned, is added when the preparation is cool. The layer should neither be hot, hard, nor be a thick fluid. When paste of the drug is added, can can be rolled between the fingers if ghee or oil is present in the preparation unit. Growth of fungus over it or fermentation are the signs of deterioration. So one has to be cautious about that. Actually, if we have this kalka that we roasted in ghee, then that is fine, and then there is no water content into that. And along with that, the father pakapa, as what we say, has to be done, like what we do for Chavan Prasha, and then mix them together. Previously, we were adding kalka into the paka. Now we have learned that it is better to the other way. You have to keep the kalka and add paka to that, and keep on stirring well. So there is no gratilatva formation of gratilatva into it. Kanakasundar Rasa also having bhanga and is effective in Visuchika and Atisara, especially due to Kurmi and Am. Yeah, and particularly when there is painful. And in Pravahika, Kanakasundar is a better choice. I have also used it, and that is good. But बहुशः प्रवाहतः अल्पं लागतं. This is peculiar avastha of Pravahika, in which this Kanakasundar is useful. In children, Pansarkar used Sarvanga Sundara in place of Kanaka Sundara. So that is also good. I have also used. So anyway, these patients would be coming at an emergency, and generally they are taken to allopathic hospitals. When there are epidemics like this, they are managed by allopathy. But we may get a chance, like Jayanta Jahagirdar, and to treat a few cases, and then we should have these drugs handy, Karpurasa or this Sanjeevani Vatti or these kinds of other drugs, like Kanaka Sundar maybe, and Simco Vishuchika Vatti or something like that. So maybe have to think about that and keep medicines handy. Now we are bound to get advanced cases, complicated cases, life-threatening cases. Now this is going to happen. So we should have capacity to treat all such cases effectively. And if we have facility of hospital, then it is fine. But if there is no Ayurvedic hospital, then you have to treat it on your own. लघुसूच्य करणे पण प्रवाहिकेमध्ये चांगला उपचार देतो. Yeah, it basically due to Shunthi and the Nagavalli Swarsa Bhavana. So we can use this, but Bhanga is having this specific action. There is one Jati Phaladi Churna, and that is also containing Bhanga, and that can also be used. Shankhodara Rasa, which also contains Ifen. Okay, and this is available. Might be these are available by some other name. They don't sell it by the same name due to FDA restrictions. But anyway, it would be worthwhile to have a lecture series on emergencies to be treated by Ayurveda, varieties of emergency. It might be migraine, it might be vomiting, it might be atisara, it might be jwara, it might be udarashula, raktapradara, and so many. So, what are the possible conditions, and what medicines should we have handled in our even in Rudroga or ISD or something like that? Kurchika compound by Rasashana. Okay, so there are so many available. This is a Visha, Ahifena is a Visha, really speaking, and Vivai Vikasi action is there. So it immediately spreads into the body. हा? घेऊ शकतात पण आपल्याला नाही देत ना परवानगी. दातार शास्त्री महामृत्युंजय रस वापरतात. Not for this. The Mahamrutyunjay Rasa is for constipation, the relieving constipation, not for Atisara. It produces Atisara. So we had to think about this, and as I said, emergencies to be treated by Ayurveda. This might be a good lecture series with varieties of conditions and possible treatments and what is to be done, etc. So let us think about this. Ama is vicious, so Vishadravya. Having more affinity or action on amas, so emergency we have to think about using them. That is true. So I have been using Lagasuchekar and that works fine. There is no doubt. Particularly for Shula. So Shula Pravahika, it is very good. ॲलोपॅथी कुठल्या पदार्थ औषधात होतात मग आपल्याला औषधीकरणात बंधनकारक अटीविषयी काय करता येईल? This is a big question and people are struggling for that anyway. But then we have to keep the record very meticulously and that is more troublesome. So how much was Ifen or Visbanga was brought? How much converted into medicine? In which medicine did you use it? How much is the stock of that medicine? To which patient did you give it? And was there any adverse reaction, etc., etc.? There are so many questions raised by. So, and then this is really very troublesome. So it's better to use it unauthentically, though this is not a proper way. But when okay. In Anuvasan Basti, this can be used. That is also fine. Vagbhat's a reference Vaprud. We may see that reference. So we may try to find out varieties of things from the text itself and in which what is to be used that we can think about. When metals are mentioned, the bhasmas of the metals are used. In case of drugs like Bhallataka, purified drugs alone are included in the preparation. Normally, leha should not be used within 1 year. Should be used within 1 year. One pala, so 40 to 50 gram. My goodness. So the matra is quite big. We are using 1 teaspoonful, that's it. But here, if it is 40 to 50 grams, then 1 teaspoonful is 5 gram. So 8 to 10 teaspoonful, that would be the matra. This is quite big. बिल्वादि लेह्य बिल्वार्धाडकम अंबसोर्धम कलशे पक्वा पदस्थे रसे सिद्धम जीर्ण गुडस्य षोडशफलम चूर्णीकृतैः सर्वतः कर्षांशैर्घनधान्य त्रुटि त्वक्केसरत्यूषणैः लीढं छर्दिररोचकाग्निसदनं श्वासप्रसेकापः. So बिल्वा अर्धाडक अंबसा अर्ध कलशे पक्वा. Then prepare this chaturthavashishta kashaya. Padasthe rase siddham jirna gudasya shodashapalam. The guda, jirna guda, shodashapala. Churnikrita is sarvataha. Churnikrita. And then churnikrita this karshamshay ghana dhanya jiraka truti tvakkesara tryushane leadham. So this is to be very well prepared. Chardiraro sadana shvasa prasekapaha. Bilva mool vaparayasa. Yes. We can go for Bilva Phala as well. There is no mention. But when there is no mention about Upayukta Anga, then one has to go for Moola. That is a general paribhasha. So since there is no mention about Bilva Phala particularly, then we may go for Bilva Moola as such. So, घन धान्य का जीरक त्रुटि एला त्वक केशर त्रिषण त्रिकटु. Hindi translation shows Bilva Moola. Bilva Phala might be useful in Avaleha. We have to think about that. Shardi Aruchi Mandagni Shwasa Prasek. Surprisingly, there is no Atisara in this. So that is also quite strange. If we use Bilva Phala, then this might be useful in Atisara as well. And there is one Bilva Valeha available in the market, made only from Bilva. And anyway, we may have to think of this. Kushmanda Rasayana. Kushmandakasya Jirnasya Rasam Adhakamahari. Jirna. Bilajil by Sandu. Yeah. गुडाढकंतु संसृज्य ततः पाकाय संशये कुष्मांडकं पुनच्छिन्नं स्विन्नं शुष्काज्य भर्जितम्. चूर्णयित्वा तत्प्रस्थं समावाप्य विपाचय लेहीभूते ततस्तस्मिन् चूर्णानि इमानि दापय एलालवंगमरिचम् अजाचि विश्ववेशे. So we have to take Kushmanda Swaras and prepare Paka with Buddha. And the remaining Kushmanda, Punachinnam Svinnam Shushkajya Bharjitam. It has to be cooked and Shushkajya Bharjitam. So it has to be. done bharjana on Shushka Swinna Kushmanda. Churnayitva tatah cha tatprastham samavapya vipachaya. So that should be added to this Kushmanda Swarasa and Buddha Patha. Lehibhute. And then the churnas are to be added. Ela lavanga mirchum ajaji vishwaveshaka. तमालपत्र पिप्पल्याः पप्पले प्रत्येकं फलसंमितं घृतस्य कुडवञ्चात्र शर्करायाः पलाष्टकम्. अरे बाप रे. घृतभाण्डस्थितं खादेत् यथाग्निबलमातरः. एकादशविधं रूपं क्षयमाशु व्यपोहति. अश्रुग्धरं रक्तपित्तं कासं श्वासम् अरोचकम्. उदजांश्च निहन्त्याशु रसायनम् अनुत्तमम्. So I'm thinking of this preparation of this at our own house. Now in Konkan we can get plenty of Kushmanda. It grows naturally very well. Only thing is this Varasa, it is watery anyway, and we get very little quantity. We try to make this Yashti Madhu, Kalka, Ghruta and Kushmanda 18 times. Kushmanda Swarasa 18 times. Ghruta in this way. The quantity that we got was very less. But I think I will use it in Anmada and Apasmara Nasya for Nasya purpose. But if we are adding this Kushmanda Khanda to that, and Buddha is there and Sharkara is also there, and that is to be added later in the form of Chura. Generally, there is one Ashwini Prash available in the market, and Kushmanda Avleha also is available in the market, but that is very Katura Sadhana. I don't know which part they use, and that creates pitta. So maybe this prakshepas to be used in less quantity, and that it should be palatable. That is one thing. And ekadasha vidham rupam kshayam. So ekadasha raja yakshma, ekadasha lakshma raja yakshma. So balamausa kshaya is there, then this is asadhya. But if the bala and mausa is good enough, then even when it is ekadasha rupa raja yakshma, then it can be conquered. And now the cases of particularly HIV suffering from AIDS and this Raja Yakshma, these are more difficult to treat. And there can be Tanubandha in this, and then this is more troublesome. Asrukdanam Raktapittam Shwasam Tasam Arochakam. So it is good for even Pitta dosha. Maybe we try to prepare it in this form or prepare it in this proportion and see how it tastes. And so I'm thinking of finished goods from Konkan itself, which are easily available. So Kushmanda is easily available. So if we all have all this Sharkara, Gula, etc. and other medicines, then Kushmanda Avleha or Kushmanda Rasayana can be prepared over there. And if it is useful in Kasa, Shwasa particularly, and Dhatukshaya. So this can be a good thing to have for lung cancer, that is major, or these cases like lung fibrosis or these honeybee comb, something like that. This is very good for post-COVID weakness. People face a lot Daurbalya after COVID action. So this is good, there is no doubt. And we at least start prescribing what is available right now. I'm prescribing anyway Chyawanprash, but this also can be given. And if it is too Vata Pradhanya, then Nanak Seva Rasayan. This is another important medicine that can be used. So, Asrugdara, Raktapitta, Vasa, Kasa, Arochaka, and Arsha. And Rasayanam Anuttam. So, this is very good Rasayanam. So, that is another important aspect over here. So, this, I think this may be brought into practice as such. How can we think about lung fibrosis in COVID-19? I'm still thinking about this. Why fibrosis occurs? This is a major issue. In my mind, there are fibrotic changes in many situations. So, lung fibrosis is one such situation. We have fibroadenomas in breast. That is another important aspect. And development of these kinds of fibrous tissue, particularly after radiation in oral cancers. So instead of Asarja Kandara Sira, there is this Medodhatu that gets in there, and that puts restriction on the Akuntana and Prasara. So if we are able to do it with mouse itself, then that is going to be better. But generally, we are getting cases after fibrosis, not before fibrosis. So this might be helpful in preventing fibrosis. Okay, so Vaidyaratnam Kushmandavleha, then that we may prescribe that. Shatavari Kalpasartha. Use of BiPAP causes alveoli damage leading to lung fibrosis is one reason heard from one physician. BiPAP, what is BiPAP? So why should there be development of fibrous tissue? This is a major concern. Can Urobhyanga be useful to prevent fibrosis? That we are already saying. ABB Kushmanda Avleha or Kushmanda sign is also available. And to a certain extent that may prevent fibrosis. There is no concept of this NANS within in conventional medicine. So we have to use that, there is no doubt. And Chandandala Lakshadi is a better choice for Abhyanga. It's the machine which pushes O2 forcefully. Okay, okay. So BiPAP is BYPEP. BiPAP. So better to ask you go for natural pranayama. Deep breathing that helps. And हेडेक ज्वर कास या लक्षणामध्ये कास जरा जास्त त्रासदायक ठरतोय, काय विचार करता येईल? आणि कोविड पेशंट्स मध्ये आगत कंपल्सरी वापरावा का? Generally it is vata pradhanya. Generally people are tending to go for nagaradi kashaya if there is more kapha. That is fine. Nagaram Pushkaram Budam Buduchi Kantakati. But if it is vata pradhanya, then better to go for Samir Panda Geshti Madhu Sitapaladi Churna like that. Along with Anupana like Chavanprash or Kushmanda Rasayana if there is no jwara. If there is jwara, then this may not be used. We have to go for Langana first and then Suvarna Suchakar, Jwara Push, Jwaragna, etc. to be used. I am using Abhrakvasma Sahasraputi and that is also fetching good results. Sthanik Snehensvedan Upanaha are giving symptomatic relief. That is true. We need to bypass. Okay. We need to avoid lung fibrosis. That is most important aspect. So if we have patients in our control, then this might be done. Smokers मध्ये daily द्यायला खूप छान आहे. Works very good. Okay. ABS also available. Bilevel positive airway pressure. Bilevel positive air pressure. Bilevel, I don't understand what you say. So might be inhalation and exhalation. Airway pressure machine. So we may try to gather information about this BiPAP, bilevel positive airway pressure or something like that. But Bhagavadikar has stated one case in which the patient was on oxygen and the relatives were afraid that without oxygen he won't survive. But Bhagavadikar was firm and he said, no, there is oxygen, enough oxygen in the air. We are all breathing the same oxygen. Now it is the capacity that is less to absorb that oxygen. So we'll increase the capacity so that he can consume oxygen from the air itself. And it worked like that. Excess pressure of O2 causes fibrosis. It's by PAP. Himalayachi Oxytard capsule is useful in avoiding fibrosis. Oxytard. OXYTARD. We may have to think of Himalaya drugs because those are available worldwide, not only in India. And there are single drugs, single herbal medicine or something like that. That is a good part of it. The quality is also good. It's a bit expensive, but available everywhere. So we may have to think about this Oxytard capsule. Okay, let us think about this. BiPAP is always connected to a ventilator which forces air into alveoli. Okay. वातप्राधान्य कासमध्ये
मला तर असं वाटतं ज्वर ही पहिल्यांदा जर संप्राप्ती असते त्याच्यामध्ये ज्वरात सलमेट असेल तर ज्वरातलेच असे योग काढून बघायला पाहिजे की जे इथपर्यंत काम करणार आहे.
That may give importance to Jwara because that's the initial symptom. Anyway, we continue tomorrow. We conclude it today. Ayurveda prakando nigadita igahi shaljatantra pradhanaha शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम्. शंखोदर आहे सर, सॉरी, महामृत्युंजय नहीं. Thank you. Okay. So Shankhodara is if it is available, then we may purchase it and keep it ready handy.